Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use sum with filter um, formula that you will not use sum if in Google Sheets, because it allows you to handle complex multi-layered conditions that standard math functions can't touch. Now, instead of telling the formula to sum if x happens, you are telling it like filter this list down to only the rows I care about, then sum whatever is left. Okay, so the basic formula for that is right over here. So we have sum filter, so then we have sum range, condition 1, and then condition 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. For example, I will use column A and column B, so something like that. Just a moment. Like so, right over here. I wasn't finished yet here. So what we need to type in also here, I will use product name, just like that, and then I need to close this sum. Is it just 1? No, it's correct, I think. Yeah, it is. Alright, and press enter. Okay, so for example, this one here. Now what you type right here needs to match with, basically needs to match inside the filter with this second condition right here. And if I press enter, you will see it's a 0, like that. So now if you know that there you have some error, usually means there is a hidden issue with the text. So you can use something like this. For example, let me paste it right here. Sum filter trim ggprod, but I will change that with real point like that. And it's the same thing. Now, if you have partial matches, so if the cell says, let's say production, instead of prod dot, you can use something like that, so that you can type in here in this last period here, just let's say what I have here is point. So if I type in here point, this thing also needs to work. As you can see, it works because I have in my header point right as a name. And yeah, this is how you can basically use this function. I think it's pretty cool, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.